Hi.
Welcome back.
It's your girl V Nazzy in the building, and today I am coming to you guys with a makeup video. So I have a couple of errands that I'm going to be running today. Yesterday I had the pleasure of stopping by Sephora. So I stopped in there and I picked up a new primer because I ran out of mine. Picked up the Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer. So there it is, right there. I had a mini one that I got to try out. You know, for Sephora give you a little gift for your birthday. So this was in there and I actually tried it out. My birthday was in July. But I tried this out the other day and I really liked it. So I went and I picked up the travel size to see if I really do like it and if it's really going to hold up. And if it does, then I'm going to go back and get the bigger one. Because I like how it applied. It held up really good. I'm going to give this a try today while I do my makeup. I'm doing my makeup very similar to my last video, which is my flawless face video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave a link either here or there. So please go check out that video after this one. Oh, also too, I want to hop on here and show you guys. I don't know if you all can tell, but my lips have gotten black. Can you tell? And for the record, I don't smoke, never smoked, never have, never will. To each his own. Don't take offense to that. I just don't smoke. I know what it is. I found out what it is, and unfortunately I can't use these anymore. Whenever I use, it's not the first time I did this, whenever I use any of these lip glosses, I get this tingling sensation, almost like a plumping effect. I don't want to say it burns. It's something going on there. It's almost like, it's literally like a plumping effect, and that's damn near the reaction I had to these lip glosses. So I cannot use these lip glosses because they're turning my lips black. And I've been putting straight aloe vera on my lips besides my CarMax and EOS balm, and I can tell the difference because I'm getting a little bit of the pink back where my lips was straight black. Can't use the Fenty lip balms anymore or lip glosses anymore, so which sucks because I paid a lot of money for these. So I just want to hop on here and show you guys this and my lips because I can't use these anymore. So in the process of me editing my video, I just went back and Googled allergic reactions to Fenty lip balms. And I did it before, but this time I found a little bit more results as far as people actually having allergic reactions, which I figured I was having anyway. And the first picture that just popped up was damn near exactly the reaction I had when I said I felt like it was burning and flaring up and almost like a plumping effect. This was the exact effect I was having, except for my lips literally turned dark. Like there was no pink anywhere on my lips. So going through Google, I came upon Sephora's website, and a lot of people were complaining about the symptoms that they were having. So I indeed was having an allergic reaction to using these lip glosses. But as I mentioned before, I have stopped using them, and I'm in the process of healing my lips again by using aloe vera. And somebody else said they use aloe vera as well. So what do you guys think so far? Is she cute or no? She's simple. Now on a regular smegular day, I will legit stop right here, and this is it. Like sometimes for the most part, I don't even do eyeshadow, but I decided to do eyeshadow today. Now the only thing I have left to do is apply my lashes, so I'm gonna grab some lashes real quick, apply those, and then I'll show you guys the absolute complete finished look. I'm probably gonna try these, so I'm gonna start with these because I don't want to do too much. And I'm just literally just running to like maybe 3 or 4 places, and I'm coming back to the house. So we're gonna try her. These are lashes that I used to sell. I used to sell lashes, and I had 300 pairs of lashes, and I sold through all of them except for 5 pair, and I did really good. I'm in the process of looking for another lash vendor and relaunch. I wasn't going to relaunch my business because now everybody are getting lash extensions, but you guys, I swear to God, like I always get asked where did I get my lashes done, and I always tell them these aren't individual, these are actually lash strips, and everybody always like, oh my gosh, they look so good. Yeah, so the vendor that I had before, I cannot find that vendor nowhere. It's like they literally disappeared, but they didn't disappear on me because I got my money's worth. I made 4 times what I actually paid. If you guys are interested in a story time about that, or interested in my story about how I started my business and the profits that I made, I have everything, and I did document everything. I just didn't know whether I want to put it online or not because this kind of personal business. I will share that with you because I'm starting all the way over. Or if you guys are interested in me starting my new journey and you guys want to come along with me as I relaunch a business and start another business, then please let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in entrepreneur vlogs. So here's today's outfit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in more of these videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. That way to let me know that you guys really enjoy this content. So I'm getting ready to run out, go take care of some errands and things. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. So definitely tune in into that video after this one. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.